You like that bike? So cute.
Is it too big? No. Okay, show Mama if you can ride it. You ride it like Elmo.
This is a really cute bike. Can you ride
It's like
it?
a helmet or something. No, probably not a helmet.
No, it's a basket for them to put stuff in. See?
Okay, here. Cool. Okay, here. Ride it like Elmo does.
She loves bikes. Right now she has like a little plastic kind of big wheel.
Push your feet. Cool. There you go.
It's a little big for you, sweetie. Yeah.
You like it? Hmm?
It's wheels on it.
Mm-hmm.